to another edition of Low IQ Fishing. I'm out on Lake of the Ozarks today with Brian Barker, and we're just going to try to target some bedded bass, maybe get into some buck bass, maybe if the wind picked up, get into a spinnerbait bite a little bit. We're throwing, I actually got a red wigglewort on still. I mean, you never know. I guess there's been a pretty decent crankbait bite, so we're going to give that a try. And I got a beaver on and just shaky head, all the usual springtime stuff. So we're going to give it a whirl. The water temp's what, about 65, 66?
69.2.
Shoot, 69.2. So if the sun had come out, you'd jump to 70 immediately. Probably will, even on a cloudy day. We got some weather moving in. We're definitely going to get rained on. Hopefully we can get some decent footage in the rain. But if you like this kind of content, always consider subscribing. That's much appreciated. And you're hitting the like button, comments. We love the comments. If you have any suggestions on something you'd like to see me do, or the fact that I'm just terrible at fishing, you want to berate me, that's fine. That algorithm likes that too. So, but yeah, keep that subscription in mind. We got a lot of people that enjoy watching the videos, but not very many subscribers. And I have a ton of stuff that I follow that I've actually had to go back and hit the sub button. It don't cost me anything, and it helps out the person that's putting the effort in on all the editing and stuff. So anyways, that's my big sob story. Just consider doing it, I guess. And well, we're gonna get on the throttle and see if we can't find some fish, and so follow along. Gonna have a good day, either catch them or not. Buck. All right.
Shaky head.
Got an head. All right. The old deadly Nedley strikes again. So got a little buck bass. He must be going up there and guarding some fry or something. He ate it really good too. Yesterday was a really soft bite. That fish actually felt the thunk and he took off with it. So hopefully it's the first of many. Yeah, Ned Ridge just hard on him, dude.
They've decided they're going to be at. It's not like that would be out any further now.
There you go. Crappie? Nope, nope. Largemouth. Sometimes they just want that little shorter profile, and they're kind of doing the deal. They don't want to do the spinnerbait thing. Got him?
Yep.
How pretty that drum is.
Beautiful. They got good color to them. That's what they say.
Boy, that smoke. Green.
Oh, tough drum. Oh, my bad.
Like to say something about that. No one cares about drum. The only thing somebody's going to say about that drum is, why didn't you pitch it up on the thing? This dog, let's get on that motor.
I think we can run up in this creek. We make it up that far.
Okay.
And there's a bunch of wood. Be later in the day, maybe in the rain. Get that spinnerbait. I think that might be a deal up there. Lots of trees.
I'm down the cloud.
They're in 7 foot of water. It could be. It has been before. Something really special. This whole thing is like that one short ride.
There's a fish right here. God, finally. What was I gonna say? I don't remember. Oh, he's like, just freaking for $12 buy these. You don't lose them or break off jerkbaits that much. Just just commit. So I did, and I bought them, and I never used them. Little dinker. And then this year was the year I tied that dude on, and there he is. Keep that one hooked up. Stop and let him bite it again.
Yeah,
let him get it good. There you go. Hold them up for the camera, for the folks at home.
Yeah. A big jar.
That's a baby hammer. That's a baby sackfish, man. Oh. Take me to clear water.
Just make it run up away.
That's exactly what I had to do at Tampa. Change like that. It was sunny when we got on the throttle.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know if we're running into it or out up away from it. I guess it doesn't really matter too much, but
Yeah, it's unavoidable.
this water is a lot better here. A little more like what you're looking for, I think.
A little more green, and a little less brown.
I don't know if this is the right color, but I'm gonna throw it.
There he is. Net? We don't have one, so boat swing. Jigged you one up.
A little better, but not. Sores all over him.
Got a little bit of
Man,
nastiness going on there.
He ate with a ton of. He's hungry.
He took that step back and I'm like, ooh, proud to get that net ready just in case, huh?
Yeah, you just drop it on the seats. What I usually use lay on top of the windshield. They were odd size. They weren't, didn't see a lot of them, little bitty.
Yeah.
And then the great big these were like that big.
And
They would come flying up and that dude come up twice like that. Whereas like whole side come up, like he stood straight up in the air. I'm like, blowing my ears.
I've seen it, never one that big, but
Yeah, he was a really solid one. He was just right there in the middle of it.
there he is. Your line was just like zipping along. That's a good one.
Oh.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Keeper, I guess he's on there. Yeah, I can see him. Oh yeah, he's on there.
He had it the whole time. I'm worried about crashing my boat here.
Oh, that was dumb.
He's on a 7 back up in there. Maybe I'd be wise to just put my gear on roller stop that here.
So that's what I did. I was like, it's getting real unstable. Feels kind of like something's about to happen.
Let's just go try it. I think I kind of feel with this wind blowing, I can catch something real serious.
Oh, if you don't put it down, you don't touch it. Yeah. Just said you had caught one yet.
That's all I had to just put that earlier.
Eventually, yeah, we don't want to use it. There he is. Good job, Brian. Good job, that's good. Jigging them up.
Too long. Kentucky.
It was fire.
And that whole front actually.
But there he is, Brian. Get him? But see, I wasn't working. I'm like this. And so I fished for like Kentucky. Good job, Brian. You hit it on the fall or?
Good spot.
Yeah, it's a nice one, man. Yeah, step up to right about there. You know, there you go. Yeah, nice one. Yeah, see, I wasn't working, and I had that pattern every time the front was moving.
Better one?
Yeah. Good one. Good job, man. I'm off the camera to slow. Kind of hit him too far. All right. That was the kind of bite I've been waiting for. All right. I caught one on a jig, Isaac. Can you believe that? Crazy. There he is.
Good one? Oh, yeah. Off that tree.
Off that tree. I almost wasn't going to cast back in there. He hit just like that, just peck, 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 peck. Like a bluegill. All right. Look, yeah. Got another one. Another one. PB&J. Brian jig.
Over there to that one. You want to keep running these?
I want to do whatever Brian Barker wants to do, because he's the jig king. And I'm just along for the ride. I'm trying to be the jig prince.
I just want to just move the boat with the outboard now that it quit raining. That's my main.
Let's go for a run.
That's what I want to do.
I really am glad you weren't gung-ho to run. I really didn't want to live through that. I got to be honest with you. It just,
I was just really hoping you weren't like, we got to get out of here.
I was like, I just want to sit right here and just manage a bite or two and just wait it out.
Yeah, see what happens.
Because I knew once you picked up the jig, I knew like, okay, we're going to put something on the camera. Everything's going to be okay.
Good? Struggle. It's definitely been a grind of a day. Are you guys running? Are you coming this way? Or you guys running this?
Yeah, I'm heading back way.
We'll just cut over.
It don't matter.
We're on no pattern. We're just backing around.
Just enjoying taking my hood off.
Jig's been the only thing that's been worth anything. Catch quite a few keepers. They're just scattered bad, just here and there. And color don't seem to matter at all. Caught them on 3 or 4 colors.
Yeah.
All right, right on. Appreciate it.
Yep.
Good luck, y'all.
Yeah, you too. There you go.
I'll put it a little harder than the rest.
What's that, chartreuse? Pretty good one.
Oh no, it's swingable.
Nice, man. He's a nice one. A guy could say that's a nice one.
Oh, yeah. Another one.
Another one.
What's that guy?
Got some shoulders on him. He's just strong.
Unfortunately now we ran right into these guys.
What's that?
That's 2 off. That's a 4. He's exactly across.
Very interesting.
I didn't kill that on the camera. Maybe that's the way it's worth looking at it.
It's fine. It was got on there enough. Branch, stop, pause, stop, start, retrieve. I seen two drowned raccoons. In the back of a cove yesterday. Is that weird?
2 of them together?
They were
Or
about
just
20
both of them in
yards
the same
apart.
cove?
Little crappie. Yeah, I thought that was weird, man. I've not caught one fish on this year. They just gotta be red, dude. They will not eat that. Okay, where I got him?
Yeah. It's a little
better one?
yeah.
There you go. Want me to net him or you want to
Hold
throw
on,
him
hold on.
around?
I don't know what he is yet. I'm not really seeing him. Well, I think there's quite a few. Oh yeah.
Out of the net.
Keep the hooks out of that, baby.
Alright.
Oh.
Good job, man. You did it. This bank this side looked way better.
The keeper peeing over my boat.
He's giving you a
Yeah.
going away present.
He's still.
You got some shoulders on him, huh?
Yeah. Come up and well, he didn't look that big. Then he decided to fight a little bit.
But there's a lot more water clarity. Weird.
Here in the middle. Yeah. I've seen a few on there. And it's like, look like crappie. You were 8 pounds and fell off the river garden boat.
Got him. Hey, what the heck?
Gotta get you a Ozarks.
Yes, oh.
I guess. I don't know. Or have be a pro bass.
I just had to get away from the side you're on. Good Lord, buddy.
Refuse to believe. All of them
Doubles.
doubled up, yeah.
Ah. Make them look like some real
Big giants,
doubles.
yeah. Huge.
Oh boy. Get him?
Yeah, that's a real one.
Real one? Okay.
Keep in mind, that's very good right here.
Coming in. The one you're looking for.
4 anyways. He looked real good under that float.
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, come up a little bit, get you gain you about 2 foot on. There you go.
Yeah.
That's a good one. What do you think? 3.5?
Yeah.
Boy, got a big old belly.
Yeah.
That's spawner there. Getting ready.
She's full of egg.
Good job.
Oh yeah, yeah. One on that bed right there behind that float. I see him roll right here. That was dumb.
Come free and then got back into it again.
Just picked it up again. You see that? Carry it plumb out underneath there.
I'm gonna give him something when you get done with
I
that.
think that's. She made a big roll like right there.
She'll eat this.
Oh yeah, throw it in there.
I'll never get her out, but
Right there.
got her that time.
She's trying to.
That's a good one.
Oh, yeah. One off the bed.
You seen it turning there?
Yeah, I seen her roll up. She was just right between that float and the rock. That much water.
That's hilarious.
She like rolled real big. And I was like, oh, it's just like a bass. But I thought, well, sure.
Yeah. It was.
Threw it in there and she ate it immediately. And then I, of course, missed it. You
That's
were
so
hung up and I was trying to watch your...
That's funny because I threw it right there.
Yeah, she was
That picture right there.
right behind
there.
that float
Yeah.
right there. Had we not come around, I was like, what is
It's
that?
funny you put all that time into that, and I was like, "There's there's back there one there spawning the whole
yeah.
time is just like one sitting right there."
Just right in an inch of water.
There she is. Or it's a male of that.
Yeah. Give me a plopper. There you go. I always wanted a plopper. Go through some white plopper.
There he is. Maybe I'll keep this one hooked up.
Good one. Can you swing it?
I'm gonna try. Yeah. Got both of them. Look at that. I just wish they'd do that way every time.
Yep.
Got them pliers.
Glad to see you contribute a little bit here.
Just can't keep them on.
I've had to. All the footage.
Had to carry the team. All right, so concludes another episode of Low IQ Fishing. Brian and I had a really good day today. Caught a ton of fish. Ended up raining on us really hard for about 3 hours, so hopefully we get some decent footage through that period. I think we had an hour or two of catching them before that, so just it is what it is. When it's raining, it's just tough to film. But the square bill and the jig really pulled through for us through the rain. That was the only way we could get a bite, and Brian was able to produce several really nice ones, and I was able to manage a couple on a jig too. So, but we had a great time, and I'll probably be coming back up here real soon. Hopefully, I don't know, maybe tomorrow, maybe Thursday. Have to see about the weather, but. At any rate, if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and or hitting the like button or commenting. It'd be awesome. And until next time, I hope I see you on the water, and if I do, I hope you're catching them. See ya.